Hi everyone, today we will learn about Fluxgate compass. So what is Fluxgate compass actually? First, compass is a device that helps to correctly pinpoint the geographical direction while on a sea-going vessel. Fluxgate compass does not operate like another magnetic compass. Fluxgate compass is a simple electromagnetic compass that employs two or more small coils of wire around a core of highly permeable magnetic material. This is to directly sense the direction of the horizontal components of the Earth's magnetic field. Fluxgate compass usually used in steering system.
As you guys know, compass is a device used to ascertain directional orientation. The most common type of compass is a simple magnetic compass that utilizes the magnetic pole of Earth North Pole to determine which direction is north. However, the Fluxgate compass is a more sophisticated and electronic version of magnetic compass that requires electricity to operate. So, now moving forward on how the Fluxgate compass operates. A Fluxgate compass is a type of magnetic compass that utilizes the principle of magnetic induction to determine the direction of the Earth's magnetic field. It consists of a sensor called a Fluxgate magnetometer, which is typically made up of two or more coils going around a magnetic core. The working principle of a Fluxgate compass involves the interaction between the Earth's magnetic field and the magnetic core of the Fluxgate magnetometer. When the compass is properly aligned, the magnetic core is parallel to the Earth's magnetic field lines. An alternating current AC is passed through the coils of the Fluxgate magnetometer. As the AC current flows through the coils, it creates a varying magnetic field around the magnetic core. This varying magnetic field induces an alternating voltage in the coils. When the compass is aligned with the Earth's magnetic field, the induced voltage in the coils will be at a minimum because the Earth's magnetic field is aligned with the magnetic core. However, when the compass deviates from the correct alignment, the induced voltage increases due to the misalignment between the Earth's magnetic field and the magnetic core. The induced voltage is measured and processed by the electronics within the compass, which can then determine the direction of the Earth's magnetic field based on the magnitude and phase of the induced voltage. The compass provides this information as a heading, allowing users to determine their orientation relative to magnetic north. By continuously monitoring the induced voltage, a Fluxgate compass can provide real-time information about changes in the Earth's magnetic field and accurately determine the heading even when the compass is tilted or subjected to external magnetic interference. Overall, the Fluxgate compass relies on the principle of magnetic induction to detect and measure the Earth's magnetic field, enabling it to provide accurate directional information. Fluxgate compasses are commonly used on a boat, aircraft, or other vehicle that requires a navigational system. The most apparent application of the Fluxgate compass is for navigation. When utilizing this method, a digital display notifies a pilot or driver to changes in direction so that the pilot could make the necessary modifications to stay on track. Others connect the compass to autopilot systems. When an autopilot system is activated, the compass transmits a digital signal to the autopilot, prompting the machinery to make steering adjustments. The digital signal created by the compass is also compatible with other navigational instruments such as a radar and chart plotter.
Next, advantages and disadvantages of Fluxgate compass. Pros of Fluxgate. First, interference of the magnetic north is completely avoided. This is due to the core material that works as an electromagnet and sends the direction of the horizontal component of the Earth's magnetic field when the current is passed through the coils. Second, Fluxgate compass is unaffected by their placement of the shape. Fluxgate compass can be placed anywhere. In addition, the direction pointed by the compass can be relied on completely. Next, it can prove very useful during rough sea as they are unaffected by position and unusual movements. However, Fluxgate compass still have its cons, which are lack of electricity. The device will not function during blackout as it requires electricity to use. Another cons of Fluxgate compass is they have to be constantly checked. If there is any problem, even with a small part of the device, the directions provided by the compass will be faulty, leading to a lot of problems for the captains of the ship.
Difference between Fluxgate compass and magnetic compass. Okay, for the first one is sensitivity to external influences. Okay, Fluxgate compass designed to be less sensitive to external magnetic influences. It usually uses shielding and compensation techniques to minimize the impact of nearby magnetic sources. So, this makes it more reliable and accurate in environments with significant magnetic disturbance. While magnetic compass highly sensitive to external magnetic fields, which it can be affected by nearby various objects and electrical currents. So, it can lead to cause deviation in the compass readings that require the user to exercise caution and make correction. Okay, for the second is response time. Fluxgate compass have a slightly slower response time due to the need for electronics to process the magnetic field data and calculate direction, while magnetic compass has a relatively quick response time where the magnetic needle aligns itself rapidly with the Earth's magnetic field, which is allowing for immediate direction readings. And third is principle of operation, where Fluxgate compass utilize the principle of electromagnetic induction that consists of a set of coils wound around ferromagnetic core. When an electrical current is passed through the core becomes magnetized, while magnetic compass use a magnetic needle that aligns itself with the Earth's magnetic field, and the needle points toward the Earth's magnetic north and south poles. 4 is integration with navigation system. Fluxgate compass designed to integrate seamlessly with modern navigation system. It can provide the continuous and precise heading information that can be used for navigation, autopilot system, and electronic chart display. While magnetic compass is a standalone instrument, it does not integrate directly with advanced navigation system. It is primarily used as a basic directional reference and often combined with other navigational tools such as charts and GPS devices. And 5 is cost. Fluxgate tend to be more expensive due to their advanced technology with increased accuracy and more specialized that typically found in higher-end navigation system and equipment. And magnetic compass relatively inexpensive, which are widely available that can be found in various forms. So overall, a magnetic compass is a simple and reliable tool for basic navigation, while a Fluxgate compass offers improved accuracy, reduced sensitivity to external influences. So the choice between the two depends on the specific requirements, accuracy needs, and budget of the application or user.
In conclusion, the Fluxgate compass is a remarkable device that has transformed its orientation and navigation. However, it has its limitations just like any other technology. So, it serves as a reminder that even the most advanced device has flaws. The Fluxgate compass stands for the spirit of discovery, the desire for knowledge, and the willingness to confront constraint and the idea of progress. So we, as a navigator, must be capable of fully utilizing the device as they develop. That's all from our group. Thank you.